In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a journal entry in QuickBooks Online. We'll walk through each step to ensure you feel confident navigating this process on your own. Whether you're a small business owner, an accountant, or just someone familiarizing yourself with QuickBooks, these instructions will help streamline your workflow and ensure your financial records are accurate and up to date. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to log in to QuickBooks Online. Start by opening your preferred web browser like Chrome and navigate to quickbooks.intuit.com. Once you're there, sign in with your account credentials. This step is crucial as it lays the groundwork for everything we'll cover today. If you're having trouble logging in, make sure your username and password are entered correctly and check your internet connection for any issues. Now that you're in QuickBooks Online, let's locate the journal entry you want to edit. Look towards the top right corner of the screen and you'll see a search icon resembling a magnifying glass. Click on that. In the search field, type journal entry, and as you type, you'll notice options popping up in a drop-down menu. Select journal entries from that list. If you prefer or need a bit more context, you can also find journal entries by clicking on Accounting in the main menu, then Chart of Accounts. From there, open the register for the relevant account to locate the specific journal entry you wish to edit. Once you've found your desired journal entry, it's time to open it. Click on the entry from the list to bring up its details. This is where you get to make changes, so take a moment to review the current information. It's essential to ensure that you're editing the correct entry to maintain accuracy in your accounts. Now comes the editing part. You can adjust several elements such as the date, which might require updating if there's been a billing period shift, modify the accounts involved if there's been a misclassification during the original entry. Additionally, you'll want to verify and, if necessary, change the debit or credit amounts to reflect the correct figures. Don't forget the memo fields. These can offer valuable context or details that aid in future referencing. After making all your changes, you'll want to save them properly. This is straightforward. Look for the save buttons. If you're finished and ready to exit the editing screen, click Save and Close. If you have additional entries to work on, consider Save and New, which prepares the system for a fresh entry without navigating away from the page. And there you have it, a simple yet thorough guide on editing journal entries in QuickBooks Online. By following these steps, you've ensured that your financial records remain precise and reflective of your business's activities. Thanks for joining me today, and happy bookkeeping.